Guys, welcome to your fourth tutorial of JavaScript. This is me, your tutor Atul Kumar Singh. So last time we head towards further from the array, but we got stuck on one method to check if something is available in the array or not. So I just found out the method. I just got a bit confused in the last tutorial, and we use something known as includes. So basically, we see array name dot includes value. So let us see its practical implementation, and let's move on to the next tutorial after that. So here we go in the pilot script again, and we can see that jobs dot includes database admin. So we have to see if the script is right or not. If we go here again and we go in the console, we can see true. So basically jobs data dot database admin is available. So let's start with the next thing, and we are going to start with something is known as objects. So what is object? Basically, object is a new data type in JavaScript which have been introduced before itself, but see, object is something, a new data type in which you can store multiple data simultaneously. We don't have to create something new, and its pattern is similar to the JSON format, and you can see that new data can be added easily to it, and we can use destructuring to retrieve value. There is old method as well, but I prefer using destructuring because it makes work very easier. So let us see how we can declare object and how we can use object. So if we go back again the Visual Studio Code, we have to go again in what do you call object folder. We can see that object ops is there, and here, sorry for fumbling, but we can see that I have declared an object. So basically how we can declare object, it's very simple. Here we have declared something constant hero, and here we have declared name Batman, real name Bruce Wayne, power, mind and technology, and we have declared base Gotham City teams, in which we have declared array Justice League and Batman team, and we have declared array, an object inside another object, which we can do as well. So here we have declared arch enemy Bane and trainer as Ra's al Ghul. So if you follow DC, you can see something which I have kept very, awesome, and you can relate to it. So here we have first printed the whole object here, and then we have printed something console.log hero.teams, which is basically an old method of getting value out of an object. And down we have used destructuring, in which we have fetched multiple values together, and we have fetched the name, the real name, info, arch enemy, trainer from this, and we have printed each value here. So let's go and see how we can implement this in practical this thing. So we can see that if our code is right or not. Voila, we can see that object, it has declared which kind of value or which kind of data type it is, which is value, and we can see the whole object here. And down if we go here, we can see an array, which is basically the teams in which Batman is involved. And down here we can see that Batman, real name Bruce Wayne, Bane is the arch enemy, Ra's al Ghul is the trainer of the Batman. So we have learned about array, and there is something known as array of objects. So let us go and see in the next slide what is array of object. So it basically consists of array. We cannot reassign as simple as array. There are two methods which we can use, and we can use even in normal array also, but particularly it's good to use in this thing also. So we are using map and filter. So map is used to make a new array, while filter is used to get a specific data out of this thing. An array of object has to be iterated for any kind of function which we have mentioned above. So let's go and see the practical implementation in array folder again. So if we go here and see ops, voila, we have declared something constant heroes, and we have declared two objects. One is Batman's, again the same, and we have declared Superman, And here we have declared real name, Clark Kent or Kal-El, and super strength, base Metropolis, Justice League, Team Superman, arch enemy we know, trainer is none. And here we can see that we have made a new array, hero's name, using constant hero's name, heroes.map, hero to select a single object and return what we have to return in the array. We have returned hero.name, and then we have printed the hero's name array, and then we have selected specific hero using constant selected hero, and we have returned Batman object only. So if we go and open this with the live server, we have to see the result. So if we go here and see the result in the console, we can say first array is printed, which is Batman and Superman. In the second, we have printed an array with only one element, which is Batman. So we have learned something new today. And if you got any question regarding this thing, you can always ping me on Telegram or Discord. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.